Before fueling up the F200, please make sure to mix diesel or kerosene with 3% Zirocco turbine oil. Take the cover off of the fuel tank. Press the green button to start the fuel flow and press the red button to stop. Please always wear a headphone. Before startup, make sure to engage the wheel brakes. We recommend you to turn the lights on, especially when you work at night. Please make sure you elevate the nozzle before startup. Now you can turn the machine on. Under the screen you can see 4 buttons. Press and hold the start button for 3 seconds. The machine is starting up for 30 seconds. Please wait. The temperature is going to go up till 600 Celsius, and it will stabilize around 500 Celsius. The power symbol has turned green. The machine is ready to go. You can increase or decrease the power with the plus and minus buttons. In case of an emergency, press the red button on the right-hand side and the machine will stop immediately. Press the stop button to stop the machine. It'll take around 10 minutes for the machine to cool down. Please make sure to avoid touching metal parts of the machine because it takes a long time to cool them down. Once the temperature is below 70 Celsius, press the off button to turn off the machine. In case you need to charge the battery, you can plug it in here. In case you want to cut the power of the machine completely, turn the red key down and take it out. Please remember your key.